Hey there, and thanks for watching. Welcome along to Keith Roselle, Sales Marvel, and I want to talk to you about my next sales masterclass starting 20th of September and what you might get for your money, which is close on £1,000. So hit subscribe to keep watching more sales hints and tips on this channel. So what's the sales masterclass all about? Well, it's ideal for people that are brand new to sales or thinking about getting into sales, or if you're already experienced in sales, but you've not really had any training for yonks. I'll bring you up to date with, I say the latest techniques, but actually techniques that have worked for me over 34 years in the sales industry. And I sold technology and telecoms for lots of big brands like HP, like EDS, and like BT. So I've got experience of selling from high volume, low cost broadband at £45 a month or thereabouts, right up to software outsourcing deals worth well over $1 billion. So that's why you should keep watching. And remember, hit subscribe, and I'll tell you more about the sales process that we're going to go through in just a second.